Hi, this is Commando number 2060 Superjet, and I have to say this Commando for me is possibly the first 10 out of 10 for me. I just thought it was a good story, very well told. Oh, read the bit on the back. Blitz. It means lightning, and that's what the Germans called their jet-powered Arado 234 reconnaissance bomber. It lived up to its name all right, for no Allied fighter could catch it, except one, that is. And in the inlay we have Stars of Soccer, Roberto Paulo Falco, the Brazilian football player. And in the back we have Stars of Athletics, Stefan Karas, Karastan, French athlete. So as I say, this is a 10 out of 10. I really love that opening, which fantastic artwork, sort of sets the scene. And it's told a little bit sort of differently. It's sort of back when it was published, present day of 1970s. A bit dated. It mentions West Berlin, where the two main characters, one British, one German, they meet, and unfortunately the German character runs into a accident, and the British character recognised the German, and is sort of called into the police office, and there's a artifact belonging to the German, the silver thing that triggers the whole start of the story. So we have two main characters, Johnny Todd and Kurt Haller. This is them sort of pre-war, 1930s. Both pilots, and both sort of later to be aces. And they've got sort of a rivalry thing going, a typical sort of commando fashion. They're both very good pilots. And so they go their separate ways, and are on the two opposite sides of the forces of World War II. And they both become aces, and they eventually become jet pilots, although there's an incident sort of middle of the story where the British pilot saves the German pilot's life through locating where he is in the desert, and that's the silver, what do we call it, light or whatever it is, That's how that is called back from the police station. He gives a location to the Germans, and the Germans find the Max Haller pilot. And so they move on to jet planes. The British pilot flies the Meteor, Cluster Meteor, and the German pilot is sort of involved with the Arado. He's not he's more of a sort of test sort of pilot research and development thing. And together with sort of Allied German resistance, they launched this very daring, slightly fanciful plot to capture and get the Arado and fly it to Britain, where they can do all sorts of tests and stuff. And again, very good artistry in terms of airplanes and on the characters as well. And so the typical Commando fashion ends with a handshake. The two pilots reunited after all those years, and I thought it was a really good story, very well worked. I thought the flashback worked very well, and a very sort of human story, I thought. Just really very well done, perfectly executed, with good artwork as well. So that's the first, I think, 10 out of 10 Commando comic. Next up, we have Commando number 2261, The War in the Wilds. That character kinda looks like Rob Lowe, the actor Rob Lowe, to me. That sort of things I likeness there. So, thanks for watching. Bye.